What's up, good people? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing these door window switch covers for my 2015 Dodge Durango. I believe these can work from your 2012 right up to 2020. As long as you have the cutouts that matches your vehicle, you should be all set. The reason I'm going to be using these covers instead of wrapping it, which I did wrap it before, I just didn't like how it came out. It was a little bit difficult with all these grooves and all that, but I find this much easier, and you still have the same type of carbon texture that I'm looking for the same interior of my vehicle. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and let's get this installed. So the first thing you want to do, you want to get yourself some alcohol wipes. You want to make sure that surface is clean, guys. And when I say surface, you just pretty much need just the ends, because you're not going to be covering up the middle piece. So you just want to get your end pieces nice and clean. And you want to go ahead, you want to grab your left driver's door's cover. It should have the same cutout as this right here. We're going to go ahead, we're going to remove the double stick tape at the back of it. And that's it, guys. That was just a quick install right there, pretty easy. And let's go on to the back and get the rear ones installed, and then the passenger side. So the rear side, guys, the rear ones does not come with a left and right. Either one can work on either side. So we're just gonna go ahead and just choose one. We're gonna wipe off our base of the switch. Your alcohol wipe. Then we're going to remove our double-sided tapes. And now we're going to place our our cover over our switch right there, all lined up. Push down on it a little bit so it sticks, it stays. Again, guys, that was a quick install. We're gonna do the opposite side and the passenger side as well. All right. Alright guys, that was our last one. I got everything completed right now, and this is how they look. This is for the passenger side. Let's go. Alright guys, this is our final look right now. I got all 4 covers installed, and as you can see, there's no gaps between the switch and the cover. I think it sits very nicely on top of it, and I also think it goes really well with my other covers that I have and my wrap. I actually wrapped this myself, so I'm going to show you guys how to wrap your trims inside your vehicle. Alright, so alright guys, if this was helpful, go ahead, like, subscribe and share, and I'll catch you in the next video.